Hi everyone, this is Felicia here with HomeBody. So this is how my coffee station looks throughout the year. It just sits here by its lonesome unless it's a holiday coming up like fall or Christmas or winter. We do the coffee stations, the hot cocoa, hot chocolate bars and things like that. So it's that time of year again to do a fall coffee station. So basically what I'm going to do is add my fall items to it. Now my style is Glam, so of course it's going to be a Glam coffee station. So if you're interested in seeing how I will create my fall coffee station, just keep on watching. Okay everyone, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking this beautiful vase here that came from Burlington. They had different sizes. It was $12.99 and a smaller one was $9.99. I'm going to take that and add this bush of tree stems here. Now, so what I did was I had a whole bunch of these just because I did my fall inventory. And I have a whole bunch of these, so I just broke some off. And I did not go out and buy anything specifically for this video. I just shot my home because I had a lot of fall stuff. And you just play around with this. You can either keep it, you know, put your little rubber band around it and keep it up like this, or you can just let it fall out. I think I'm going to leave it like that. And then I'm just going to take this and push it back in this corner. Push it back in the corner. That's going to give my first fall aspect of my coffee station. So I like that. Actually, I played around with it just a little bit more to get it to stand up tall. I want it tall there, and I'm going to push that back over there. So now the next thing I'm going to do is take the smaller vase, which I have some rocks in here. These rocks actually came from Hobby Lobby, or probably Michael's. I've had them for several years. And I'm going to take my stirrers and put them in here. Now these stirrers here are multi-usable. I can use these stirrers in my bar cart, but for the purpose of this video, I am using them in my coffee station. I have several of these. I think I have like this 8. I think I have 8 more, like 16 of these. I got these from Z Gallery when they were going out of business. All of their tabletop decor was 50% off, so I cleaned up on all my Glam items. So I am going to use, I'm going to turn it this way. Yep. So that's my second part. Now, I like to use my decor piece. I like decor pieces that you can get multi-uses out of them. Now, this particular piece here is actually a spray bottle that I purchased many, many years ago from Bath and Body Works, and I wish that they had more. And so I'm going to be using that as a riser for this pretty little pumpkin here that I purchased from Burlington for $4.99. So I'm just going to set my pumpkin here. So I like decor pieces that can be used for multi-purposes, such as this one. This can be used as so many things. You can put some florals in here, make a pretty floral arrangement. You can put a candle on top of here, use it as a candle holder. You can use it as a riser. Of course, you can use it for its meant to be purpose, which is to add your Bath and Body Works spray in here. But for the purpose of my coffee station, I'm going to use it as a riser to rise up my beautiful pumpkin here. This is a pumpkin that Burlington has right now for $4.99. I was able to grab up a few of these pumpkins for the 2019 season. So with that being said, I'm just going to take the pumpkin, and I'm not going to glue it or anything on here. I'm just going to set it on top of there. And then I'm just going to push it over here. So now that this side is looking all festive, I don't want to add too much over here because I like my cabinets to be not too much, but I'm going to go ahead and add this here, and then I'm going to just put a little candle here, and that candle is super cute. I love it. And then I have this Glam Lazy Susan that my sister-in-law gave me. Thank you, Pam. And I'm going to add another pumpkin over here, and it's actually turned out really cute. So that's all that's on this cabinet over here. There's nothing else here. And so at night I can light up my candle, and it can give a really nice ambiance over in this corner. So this is the end of this video, and I thank you for watching.